Hi friends, in this video I will be showing how to use safe mode on Android TV. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. The first I will show you how to access safe mode. Then I will show you how to use safe mode. First let me go to settings. Select the settings icon from top right corner. Go to device preferences. Under device preferences we can see this restart option. Select this restart option, then we have to press and hold OK button on the remote. So now we can see reboot to safe mode option. Just select this option, that way we can restart this TV and go to safe mode. Okay, so this way we can access safe mode. Next, let me explain what is safe mode. In safe mode, TV will disable all third-party applications which we have installed from Google Play Store or install apps installed using Android APK file. So that is the benefit of safe mode. It will disable all third-party applications. Assume that you are facing an issue. Your TV has some issue. In that case, you can just go to safe mode and check that issue. And if you are seeing that in safe mode, it's not showing that issue, then that means issue is because of one of the third-party applications which we have installed from Play Store or installed via Android APK file. So that way we can confirm that. After that, you can again go back to normal mode, then uninstall all those third-party applications. Just to delete all those third-party applications, then restart the TV. That way you can easily fix that issue. So that is a safe mode. So using safe mode, we can debug issues, then fix issues. Okay, so this is a safe mode and this way we can use it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please take it.